When it comes to protecting your workplace, affordable panic buttons are a smart investment. Panic buttons are being used in more types of businesses than ever, and many states are starting to impose regulations for panic buttons and workplace safety. Businesses are now needing to become familiar with these systems. That's why thousands of companies nationwide trust BEC panic button systems. With more button options than anyone in the industry, our systems adapt to your space. From discreet underdesk buttons to wall stations and wearable pendants, one press triggers instant alerts to multiple devices, whatever fits your setup. Need more coverage? Our wireless repeaters can extend coverage to accommodate large buildings, including hospitals and schools. Everything arrives pre-programmed, ready to plug in. No complicated setup, no special tools. And the best part? No recurring costs, no subscription charges, ever. Whether you're protecting a single office or a nationwide operation, BEC is built for peace of mind. Simple, scalable, secure. BEC Panic. Button systems, the best choice for business protection. Protect your people. Secure your business. Contact us today by calling 888-556-3998 or visit our website at becintegrated.com. You can also visit our website by clicking the link below. We would be happy to answer your questions and send you pricing as well as options.